Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make a very simple, very easy recipe on the Pit Boss Sportsman 3 portable gas grill from Pit Boss. So we will make a red Thai chicken curry. Okay, so it's very easy to do, but you have to prepare some ingredients. All the ingredients are in the description under the video. Okay, but we need green beans, some coconut milk, some cilantro, some sugar, some fresh ginger, fresh garlic, one red pepper, some tomatoes, some mushrooms, some red curry paste, of course, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, some chicken breast, of course, some lime, just a bit of fish sauce, and for the chicken I will use the Malcolm's Jamin jerk. This rub is perfect for an Asian recipe because there are a lot of Asian flavors like 5 spice and things like that. Okay, let's go. This accessory, the trivet, is great for that kind of recipe because I will use it for my wok. And as you can see, the wok is very close to the burner, like you can find that in a Asian kitchen. So of course we have not the same power, but this grill is really powerful, and it will be just perfect for this recipe. So let's go, let's heat it. Now I will preheat the wok for maybe 2 minutes. Okay, so it will be very hot. So while the wok is preheating, I will wrap the chicken. So we will grill the chicken. We will not smoke it. We will grill it. So it will be fast, maybe 15 minutes. I would say 15 minutes. I will not cook the chicken entirely, okay, because we will let the chicken finish the cooking inside the curry. So the first step is to cook the bell peppers, the ginger, and the garlic with some canola oil. So we saute the vegetables, okay, for maybe 2 or 3 minutes, no more, because we still want them crispy. Now I will add the red curry paste. And the coconut milk. The juice of a half lime, the tomatoes, and the mushrooms. Now I put the wok on low heat, so I have maybe 10 minutes to grill the chicken, okay, and the 10 minutes will be useful to cook the mushrooms and the tomatoes. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of sugar. My chicken fillets are ready to be sliced. So as you can see, the chicken fillets are not totally cooked, but it's good because I will finish the cooking inside the curry sauce, so they will be perfectly moist and tender. If I grill them to the end, they will be much more drier, much more tough to eat with the curry. Ten more minutes and the curry is ready, so it's a really easy to do recipe on a grill like this one, the Sportsman 3 from Pit Boss. A portable grill, which is way more than portable. So now we will just add some cilantro. If people want, they can add some lime juice on the curry. So I'll grill some limes and it will be easier for the juice to flow. So I hope you appreciate this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.